All right, Eclipse coupe. There's a cylinder 2 misfire on my car, so we're gonna look into what's going on with it. I think we're gonna look at the spark plug on cylinder 2. He said it could be the coil packs. Does it look all right? A little bit burnt.
Looks fine.
Looks fine. Oh.
See the color of this?
Yeah.
Look at the color of this.
It's different.
It appears combustion is coming out of the spark plug, which would mean it's not tight enough.
Oh.
Possibly. You start to see, look at little things like this. Like, see how that looks burnt and charred?
Yeah.
So that would be my first guess. But the second one was also very loose. So now I'm going to go through and retighten them, start it up, see if it makes a difference.
All right.
It could not be it, but it does look like there's a little bit of exhaust escaping right there. See what I mean?
Yeah, I wonder if that was because of the tightness.
It was very loose. It was very loose. See, that one looks completely different on the bottom.
Oh, yeah, so it's only a second one?
Only on cylinder 2, which the car told us was a cylinder 2 misfire. So I'm leading to believe that might have had something to do with it.
Oh. The coil pack or?
The spark plug not being tightened down enough.
Oh, so
That's what I'm thinking. It might, I mean, it still could misfire, but I'm thinking that's probably what it is.
Oh, because it wasn't at first. It wasn't bogging down at all at first right after he changed them.
I think it backed itself up. Because look at me. See, I'm not even turning that.
So
Zero effort.
Oh, so maybe that's the issue.
Leaning in that direction. The plugs are still good.
Alright, so I'm going to take the car for a trip around the block. See if it bogs down. I'm going to accelerate. Still bogging down a little bit if you can hear it. Hear it bogging down. I don't know if you heard that it's still bogging down.
Up there.
Yep. I need to roll my windows back up. Actually, I'll wait. Yeah, for the header, I just need to get the $20 parts, Velcro gasket, and then a bottom gasket, and then the 4-to-1 headers probably. Because I think it's a JVT brand. It says on eBay, the picture has a JVT box on it, so I think it's. And Gemini says that they use thicker metal, so it's better quality. So then I'll probably need some heat wrap. So you said it's either the coil or the injector?
Causing a misfire, yeah.
So if it's the injector, so I'd have to replace the whole fuel lines underneath the car. Wonder how much a new coil is. $50? Is that specific for this car? Dang. Well, I'll just have to save up some money or wait till I get a job, but I wonder how he would know if that's the issue or if it's another issue. Injectors or cat.
It's cheaper than injectors. I mean, your cat's still probably bad, but the coil could be bad too.
Oh, so it'd be the left coil?
It'd be this one here on the bottom side. This one's still firing. It's that one.
Do you think you could send me the link to the thing later?
Mm-hmm.